Welcome to the channel. Today's video is part of the Shopify experiment I'm conducting, and today we'll be talking about how to create collections. Collections are a precursor to breadcrumbs. Although I did need collections for my branding, it was also something that was required for the breadcrumb setup. So if you are thinking of having breadcrumbs on your website, then this is something that you'll need to do to enable that. So let's get right into it. You want to go to the home page, navigate to the products, and then collections, and then add or create collection. Here you'll have all the details for your collection you're making. Fill it however suits your store. So you have a title, description, and you can add images if needed. Once you've created your collection, you can add all the products that you need to it. Next, you want to navigate to content and then menus. Within the menus, you want to add a new menu option, which is your new collection that you've created. So you can search for collections and then select the collection you have created. Once done, you want to click on save, go back to your products, and this is just to validate if the collection has been added. Click on a product, and on the right hand side you will see the collections that this product belongs to. As I said at the beginning, the main reason for doing this video was it's a precursor to our breadcrumbs video, and to have that enabled and working, these need to be set up. Thanks for watching, and I will speak to you soon.